Hey everyone, and thanks for logging back in. I am super excited to show you Kitchen Remodel Part 2. This video is going to be where we demolish the old pantry that's in the home that we recently purchased. We do not like this pantry at all. It's an older style with pocket doors, wire racks as you can see. We want to get rid of this and relocate the pantry elsewhere. I want to take this opportunity to first thank K-A-P Solutions Corporation. Alex and his team did a fabulous job of making our vision come to life. This is another look at the older style pantry before Alex and his team gets ready to demolish it and flatten it so that it is just a bare wall. As you can see, they are disassembling or dismantling the entire pantry. The doors have already been taken off. The wire rack or shelving is gone. And we are just really excited to get this older style pantry out of the way. This is the in progress photos where the pantry has been dismantled and the wall is totally flat. This is preparing the wall for the new cabinet, which I am just super excited for you to see. And now, the big reveal. I hope you enjoyed this kitchen part 2 transformation. There's one more part that I will show you an entire video of my new kitchen. If custom cabinetry is what you're looking for, make sure you contact CAP Solutions Group. I'll put the information for the company in the description box for this video. The home decor for this video is provided by none other than yours truly, Freddie King's home decor team. Please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you will be notified of future uploads from me in the future. You don't want to miss my kitchen transformation part 3 where I'll show the entire kitchen. Thanks again for connecting with me, and until next time, bye-bye.